If a person increases his usual speed by 20%, he reaches office 15 minutes early. He reaches office 15 minutes early because he is increasing his speed, right? How many minutes will he be late to his office if he reduces his usual speed by 20%? If I increase my speed, I will reach 15 minutes early. If I reduce my speed, how much late I will be is the question, right? See here. Speed increases by 20%. 20% is 20 by 100. 20 by 100 is 1 by 5. 20 by 100 is 1 by 5. Speed increases by 1 by 5. What is the meaning of 1 by 5? Initial speed was 5. There is an increase of 1 on 5. Final speed will become 6. That means speed will become 6 by 5. Right? Speed will become 6 by 5. If speed is 6 by 5, speed and time are inversely proportional. Time will become 5 by 6. Time will become 5 by 6. What is the meaning of time 5 by 6? Actual time taken was 6 minutes. Actual time taken is 6 minutes. Today I reached at 5 minutes itself. Today I reached at 5 minutes itself. That means I am early by how many minutes? 1 minute. I am early by 1 minute. But according to the question, I should be early by 15 minutes for this scenario. I should be early by 15 minutes. 1 is becoming 15 multiplied by 15. 6 also multiplied by 15. 6 into 15 is 90 minutes. Actual time taken is 90 minutes. Every day I will travel from my home to office with regular speed. Regularly or actually I will take 90 minutes. But the question is, I am taking 90 minutes if I travel at regular speed. But if I decrease my speed by 20%, how much late I will be to the office is the question. Right? Clear with the question? See here. I will decrease my speed by 20%. Speed decreases by 1 by 5. Initially it was 5. Actually I was going at 5 kilometers per hour. But today I am decreasing my speed by 1 kilometer. That means final speed will become 4. Speed is 4 by 5. Time will become 5 by 4. What is the meaning of time 5 by 4? Actually I will take 4 minutes to reach the office. Actual time taken is 4 minutes. But today I reached the office at how many minutes? 5 minutes. That means I am late by 1 minute. Today I am late by 1 minute. But according to the question, I am not actually taking 4 minutes. How much actually I am taking? 90 minutes. Just now we calculated from the previous data. So actually I am taking 90 minutes. How much late I should be to the office? 4 is becoming 90. Multiply by 22.5. 1 also multiply by 22.5. That means I am late by 22.5. Clear with the question? Very easy approach. You need not use any variables or formulas. Only one notation. Speed and time are inversely proportional to each other because distance is constant. Clear with the approach? Please write. A man rode out a certain distance by scooter at the rate of 25 km per hour and walked back at the rate of 4 km per hour. The whole journey took 5 hours and 48 minutes. What is the total distance he covered? What is the total distance he covered? See here. Let us understand the question. A person is travelling from A to B. A person is travelling from A to B. A man rode out a certain distance by scooter at the rate of 25 km per hour. He is going by scooter at the rate of 25 km per hour and walked back. He is returning by walk at the rate of 4 km per hour. The whole journey took 5 hours and 48 minutes. Whole journey took 5 hours and 48 minutes. Find the distance, find the total distance he covered is the question. Find the total distance he covered. Same approach. The distance between A and B is a constant, right? Because it is a constant, I will assume it as the LCM of the given speed. LCM of 25 and 4. LCM of 25 and 4 is 100. I am assuming the distance as 100 kilometers. In scooter, in 1 hour he will cover 25 kilometers. To cover 100 kilometers, he will take 4 hours. By walk, in 1 hour he will cover 4 kilometers. To cover 100 kilometers, he will take 25 hours. According to my data, in scooter 4 hours, in walk 25 hours. Total time taken for the entire journey, according to my data, is 4 hours plus 25 hours. It is 29 hours. According to me, distance is 100. I have assumed it as 100. According to me, distance is 100. But according to the question, total time is not 29 hours. Total time is 5 hours and 48 minutes. What is that 5 hours and 48 minutes? 5 hours 48 minutes is nothing but 5 hours and 48 minutes is 48 by 60 hours. 48 by 60 hours. 12 into 4, 12 into 5. 5 hours and 4 by 5 hours. It is 5 4 by 5 hours. 5 4 by 5 hours is 29 by 5 hours. According to the question, it is 29 by 5 hours. Total time according to me is 29. According to the question, it is 29 by 5. 29 is becoming 29 by 5. Multiply by 1 by 5. Here also multiply by 1 by 5. That means 100 into 1 by 5 is 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. But 20 kilometers is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Please read the question. The question says, what is the total distance we covered? They are not asking, what is the distance between the 2 points? That is not their question. If the distance between the 2 points is asked in the question, then your answer of 20 is correct. But the question is, what is the total distance he covered? So he covered, distance is 20. He is going 20. He is coming back 20. Total distance he covered is 40 kilometers, not 20 kilometers. Answer is 40. Understanding? Please be very careful. Every time we will do this and stop at this point. But it is not true always. It all depends upon the question, right? If the distance is asked in the question, what is the distance between the 2 points? Then what you wrote is correct. But what is the total distance he covered? He is going 20 and coming back 20.